here I have table saw, and I have blade, this very fine cutting teeth, small one, which I would I need to change for a regular one, bigger one. It's, I don't know, 32 or something. It's 10 inches, but it doesn't matter. This video about how to change blades on table saw. First, what we have to do is put this down, having a special handle. Rotating this handle, you will move blade down. Just rotating them. As you will see, blade coming down. Okay, that's down, completely down. And now we have to turn this saw around. And other side, you will see the nuts, visible nuts there, over there, nuts, round one. I'll show it like that. Yes, and you have different kind of wrench. To take off these nuts, it's usually do not recommend to use this type of wrench, because it's just will do not stay good, you know. Any one of them. Yeah, better to use this type. And I have a poke. Usually I put poke here in this hole. Okay, and I have to find something which will hold this. Okay, it's not hold, it means I need to move, because it's probably 8 inches, and I move a little bit down or up the blade until it will fix. This is fixed now, and now I can start unscrew. Okay, this way. Yeah, now I have to remember a rotation side teeth is oriented. Tooth, I mean, not teeth, tooth. Okay, and I'm taking this out. It's visible in this way. Yep, I need to pull up bracket. Oops. Okay, try to put the hook in this hole. and use this wrench to tie it. Whoop. Oh, it's perfectly good. Okay, and job is done. Having a blade with bigger teeth installed on this circular saw for everyday use. I mean, not every day, but how it's work. That's it. Movie is over.